Welcome back to another video, guys. So as I was saying in the last video, I needed to go, for one, get a new jack. So I went on ahead and got a new jack yesterday, guys. It didn't rain like it said it was gonna rain, do all this crazy storming. It didn't do none of that. So I kind of, the only thing that was as far as the weather, guys, it was just cloudy. That's it, guys. It didn't, I don't even think, well, it rained just a little bit, but not too much. So I went and picked up a new jack, guys. I got some oil for the Camaro. So I'm gonna be changing the oil today finally, guys. I didn't ran it for about 7,500 miles, so it's due for one. But yeah, guys, so with that being said, I really appreciate you guys for stopping in, tuning in to my videos. And man, I appreciate your new subscribers too, man, as well. I really appreciate y'all for rocking with me, man, on this King's Life journey. And you know, more videos gonna come. Final update on the Crossfire. So as of right now, guys, I have to call my extended warranty because they have to go and pick up the car from the dealership where it's at now and take it to another facility that's going to do the repair. So once I get off this, you know, off my YouTube, then I got to give them a call so they can go pick up the car, take it to the new facility so they can go ahead and start doing the repair on that job. So we got more parts coming in for the car. I'm excited to see what it's going to look like. I got brand new grill coming. It's a gloss black mesh kind of grill. So I got that's coming in. Hopefully today, guys, my welding machine will be in today as well. I want to start running that as soon as possible. So but with that being said, guys, oh, and we might be painting the wheels on my S10. So y'all just stay tuned, man. Make sure you watch the whole video. And I would say don't skip no ad, but I ain't got no ads. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna have to help me out and share my videos, man. That way I can have some ads. Shoot, I'm trying to grow this channel, man. I have a newborn baby coming in November the 1st, man. So yeah, I appreciate it, you know. But yeah, I'm happy, man. And you know, it was unexpected really, but I'm happy. Long as the baby is gonna be healthy, man, I'm happy, and it's gonna be good, man. So with that being said, guys, well, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the jack that I got, so y'all can see what kind to go get if y'all guys need a jack for your own home. And so I'm gonna show y'all which kind I got. So I went on ahead and went with the black jack. Damn, hold on. So yeah, I went on ahead and went with the black jack. It's not because I'm black, guys. I ain't racist or nothing like that. Never been that, but yeah, it's a black jack, maximum capacity, trolley jack, 360 swivel. Yeah, so I got a new jack, guys. The last one that I had outside, I made a mistake and kept it outside all night and stuff, man. So I don't know if it just got rusty inside or what, guys, but now we got a new jack. So with that being said, let's go ahead and go outside, man, and get this. I have to get the oil pan, and I might have to take it to AutoZone because it might be full already. So now, guys, let me go get the oil pan real quick, and I'll see y'all when I get outside.
Saw my mama struggle, so I had to hustle, stayed in trouble while she was working doubles. I said I gotta chill, show T-Lady that I love you. God first, after that, no one above you. But I missed a lot of times with the kids out there hustling, trying to live big. But I got a playground at the crib, but shit, it ain't no family where I live, man. Tired of people trying to minimize my shine. Need to stay down or get the fuck around me. I ain't changed, I was like this when you found me. A king, somebody need to crown me. Cause ain't nobody did what I did and the pen did 20.
Alright, so we're here back at home, man. If you guys can see, I'm making sure the wheels are on there, and I'm also, to be more safety, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put a block behind that tire there, because you always want to be safe, man. It's always scary to get underneath these cars like this, you know, even though it's not going anywhere. I got the e-brake on and everything, but now I'm just gonna get some bricks, put back there, and everything should be good to go. I went on ahead and drained my oil pan, so that is nice and freshly done. And now I'm gonna get with this, do with this oil change. And matter of fact, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put a mat down there. That way all those rocks won't be all on my back and shit. So yeah, let's go ahead and get us a mat, and that way we can start this process, man. My dog, she crazy, y'all. She is too active. Too active. Let's see what we got, man. We ain't got too much to work with, really. I got this one. Okay, I'll use this one. I need to get one of those rolling deals, guys, to where you can just roll underneath there. But my pavement is rocks, so it wouldn't roll that great. But I need to invest in one of those. What I use to get my filter off, I went on ahead and bought one of these. I thought maybe it would be better to use the strap, because I usually use the strap, but sometimes they break. So I went on ahead and got this. This is a 74 by 76 15, and that's all you need, guys, to go ahead and get that filter off. So let's go ahead and get it. As you guys can see, guys, man, this is a tight spot down here. I ain't gonna lie, this is like I don't have room to get underneath here. That's how bad it is. And the cover didn't come with the car, man. It's supposed to be a cover underneath here to protect all the electrical and all the components and stuff, but there's nothing underneath here, man. I just seen this today, that it's supposed to have a cover underneath here. But when you buy a car from CarMax, guys, that's what you will be looking at. Some parts will be missing, like a spare tire. This car didn't even come with a spare tire, guys. So when y'all shopping around for vehicles, make sure y'all get all y'all's parts in y'all's cars, man. That's the first thing you want to look for. But I got this car delivered to me, and it was at nighttime, so I didn't bother, trying to find everything. But y'all just take y'all time and just look at the vehicle before y'all buy it. Alright, so this is a tight spot, guys. What I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this job off camera, and then I'll just go ahead and get back with y'all in a minute. So we back, man. I had a little issues with the damn filter on the bottom. These dealerships, man, they tighten them filters up so tight to where you be down there all day trying to get that thing off, man. So I had to put a little muscle on it, and shit, we got it off, because I ain't trying to be out here all day trying to get the damn oil change done. So but as you guys know, if you guys have a ZL1, guys, if y'all are planning on doing this yourself, always use Mobil 1 for this engine. It's the best oil that you can pretty much use for this engine. So it's full synthetic Mobil 1 5W30, and that's what we're gonna be putting in this engine here. And it takes 8.2 quarts or something like that, but I'm gonna go ahead and flush it out with 8, and that should be fine. So let's go ahead and get this thing pouring. Let me get that. Go ahead and pour it up in there like so. And they recommend to go ahead and just put 7, let it run, warm up the engine a little bit, and then go ahead and add that last quart. But you know, I'm not gonna do it like that. I'm just going ahead and pour it in, and we should be good to go, man. Like I said, I ain't trying to be out here all day. I got other little projects I need to go ahead and take care of. So we're gonna get this done, man. So this is the second quart. Ah, dang, hold on, guys, sorry about that. All right, so second quart going in. So we getting it done, man. We getting fresh oil in here. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do for the next oil change on this car, guys, because this car is so low that you barely have even much room down there at the bottom, man. So it's kind of a little difficult, man, to get up in there, I'll tell you that. But it's all good, man. We're gonna do what we can. But I'm gonna go ahead and pour the rest of these, guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and see y'all in a minute. Once I get done with all this, I'm gonna check back in with y'all, and yeah, when I get done. All right, I'll see y'all in a minute. So we are now done, man. It's beautiful out here today, man. So I will be painting the rims today, guys, so y'all stay tuned for the next video. I won't put that in this video. Today's video is just gonna be all about changing oil, man. The ZL1. So I appreciate you guys for stopping in, watching my YouTube channel, man. I appreciate you guys for hitting that like button. I noticed that, you know, I was getting quite a bit of views with no likes, man, but I really appreciate you guys for hitting that like button. Make sure you share my video, that way somebody else in the world, man, that can learn how to change oil. It's not that hard, guys. You know, I wish I could have showed you more, but with that little space down here, guys, it's limited space, and you know, I had to get it done. So definitely didn't want to be underneath of a car that long. I'm gonna have to figure out another solution on how I can get this car a little bit more higher, that way I can feel more safe getting under here and changing the oil. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in, man. Like I said, share my video, man. I really appreciate you for y'all doing that, man. I really appreciate the love and support that I've been getting on my IG. My IG as well, guys, is King's Life 2019. So go check me out on Instagram. You'll see the post way before YouTube. That way you guys can be notified whenever I'm pushing out these videos, man. But with that being said, man, I really appreciate you guys for coming in, tuning in my video, man, like I said. And yeah, just like that, man, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace, man.
Every single day